students of HS Harburpur are here to demonstrate our exhibit for the national level exhibition. Our exhibit is based on the theme of Science and Technology for Sustainable Future and the sub-theme Transportation and Communication. The name of our exhibit is Magnetic Suspension Power Generator. Nowadays, sockets used in vehicles release the energy in the form of heat, which is totally a waste, but our magnetic socket convert that waste energy into usable electrical energy, which can be used for many purposes like charging the batteries, glowing the bulbs of the vehicles, and etc. Our aim behind this is to conserve that mechanical energy and convert that into electrical energy by replacing the ordinary sockets by our magnetic sockets.
So now I will tell you how this project works. We have put the combination of magnets and copper coil inside this frame and put this handle to give the manual compression, and pointed the copper coil outside this frame to introduce the concept of electromagnetic induction. Whenever the vehicle goes on uneven road and bumps, it will lead to the movement of magnet inside this frame and copper coil. So due to the concept of electromagnetic induction, the movement of magnetic flux lead to the generation of an AC current. Then this AC current is supplied to the circuit, and then this circuit will rectify this AC current into a DC current. Then DC voltage goes for the boostification stage, where we have used the Joule-step circuit to boost this voltage, and then the boosted voltage then is stored in a capacitor to light up the LEDs. Now suppose that this is a vehicle and goes on uneven road, and this will lead to the compressions inside this coil. Now this compression leads to the movement of magnets inside this copper coil, and this copper coil will generate the electricity, which is an alternating current. Then this alternating current AC voltage goes for a rectification in this circuit and rectify through this diodes, and this voltage is DC but it is very low, cannot light up the LEDs. Then this low voltage goes for the boostification through the Joule-step circuit by this transistor and this toroid, and after the boosting of voltage, it will store in this capacitor through the diode, so the voltage cannot go back. Now the capacitor is charged enough to light up the LED, and this LED is light up for the fractions of seconds, and this capacitor will discharge, and whenever this capacitor again charge, it will again goes for the lighting of the LED.
Our project works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. So whenever there is a change in magnetic flux inside the copper coil, generation of electricity takes place, which is alternating current. The magnets placed inside the suspension are separated due to this spring. So whenever the spring gets compressed due to the magnetic repulsive forces, the ring magnets come back to its original position. Through the problem stated before, we can understand that the mechanical energy is wasted till now in the surrounding. So from our project, we can ensure the conservation of that mechanical energy and its conversion into electrical energy.
Now, some advantages of our exhibit are: number first, with the voltage generated by the magnetic shockers, we can use it to charge the batteries, which can further be utilized to light up the headlights and the indicators of the vehicle. Number second, with the use of normal spring hydraulic shockers in our vehicle, the vehicle use fuel to charge the batteries and to light the headlights and the indicators. But if we replace the normal shockers with our magnetic shocker, the voltage generated by the magnetic shocker will be utilized to charge the batteries, which can be used to light up the headlights and the indicators, which will eventually result in the less consumption of the fuel. Thank you.